So guys, this is going to be a very weird photography experience because the whole brown grass has been burned down. So I think we will get some amazing or weird, what do you call it, creative, I don't know, that kind of results, because this environment is very different. I am very excited to take this challenge of photographing this burned ground with the trees. I'm excited, so let's get started. I think I see my first composition, guys. I think this will turn out good because the whole trail is leading towards that tree and the surrounding is totally black. I don't know, but this looks pretty good to me. This might create some artistic photographs. This is much better than what I expected because I have photographed the brown grass before in my area, but I was not expecting this. So yeah. So what I'm trying to capture here is the backlight on the grass. This might create a good frame, guys, I think. I don't know. Yep, this one will be good. So guys, I want to try a few more compositions over here because that tree is looking good because of all the backlight that is coming from there. There is one more tree over there which is coming in the frame. This is the frame I am talking, but that tree is just adding up one more element in the photograph. I don't know how to compose that one. So guys, in case you are wondering what camera I'm using, this is Canon M10. It has an 18 megapixel sensor. It is the lower version of Canon M50 or M100, you can say. Yes, it is the lower version of M100. And yeah, so it has a 15 to 45 mm lens with it. I bought it a few months back as an second-hand camera. So guys, I want to try one shot of a dead grass or a single grass. I think this will be good, but it has some gravel behind it. I don't know, I will try with a lower aperture number which will blur all that black background, and it will give a feeling of a survivor in a dead forest or a dead grassland. I'm not able to focus on that. Oh no, guys, I think this was that tree. That tree is on fire right now. Thank God I captured it 2 years back. That was a very good frame. Mainly because of the position of the tree. The whole sky was behind it, and we had a very good curvature over here, which gave some wave in the ground of the subject. So there was this wave plus that tree. So let's try the frame of this tree over here. This is somewhat same, but it's not the same as that one because that tree has a lot of curves and drama inside the branch of it, on the design of the branch of it. I'm not sure about the composition. We might have to make some. Okay, this looks good. I want to increase the aperture so that I can get a lot of things in focus. So guys, that was it. I hope you guys liked this weird experience of photographing a burned ground, because I liked it very much. We have gotten some pretty good photos also. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.